Nalor ka jing nang jing start ha ka tho ka puli ha ka long briu man briu I don kam ro e ka kot ka khia bat kham bun sien hi ka kot ka khia ka wan leng ba ka jing pen million dala de la de kom ta ngi ju sakhi ya ka ne ha ki ba bon ki school puli nalor ki jing hi kai ha ka tho ka puli ki ju pen shlor ro e ki khna ha ki kam sport dei hang ni la ban I thu na lap ki sap ki talent jong khna ha ki kam sport le se la don ba patien nanti ya ki ni ki khna ki la ban poi na ka wei ka thong sha ka wei pat kata ha ka school level sha ki district level state level national level la ni wat shadu sha olympic level ro kumta kala long ka nuksa ka babha ba ka wei na kini ki school garib hoi kata ka school St Joseph Secondary School Maulen Maukhan kala yo ban penlong ya ka annual sport meet 8000 arpusau hamadan shnong Maulen Maukhan ka balong shibanta ban kentiu ya ki hebret jong ka school ha ki kam sport ban penslur ba kin ya shimbanta ha ki babon ki kam sport ha kani ka sngi la pen hap perdano ya kani ka annual sport meet jong ka St Joseph Secondary School Maulen Maukhan lawan ban sakhi lang ro da ki kenram ki lendan ki ba kenthop ya ubabu catechus ubabu H Paryong ikong Indonesia soklet na ka Bharati Foundation urang ba shnong ka shnong Maulen Maukhan uba makri kumju ro ukong san jong kani ka program Reverence Father Eric Jong Kapila Society ha kani ka sngi na kaliang u principal kani ka school ubabu Gilbert Nongrum ula pha ro ya ka memorandum sha uba AL Hek menteri ka sarkar MDA lengba kinongwan mi khmat ha ka jaka uba AL Hek ban kerpat ya kilat jingrap na kamenta kani ka school ki khna kani ka sport meet kilaya shimbanta shirham na ki babun banta ki jinga le kai ki kenthop na do ka jinga mare ka jinga tantlai ka jinga le kai tunnel wall ka match pass bat ka mass drill bat ya ka namla do ha kani ka sports meet lara da ka yellow house
All of the school, all the teachers and my dear students, today is a very joyful day and we thank God, we praise God for this beautiful day. For all of us are gathered here for this sports meet. I remember also when I was a school student, we would be so excited to be in this sports meet. So my dear students, you all have prepared well. You have been practicing for so many days. So I wish you all the best for your sports day today, for all the events that are coming up, for your competitive spirit. May the best team win. May the best person win in all the events. I would like to tell you only one thing, that is about Olympics. Have you heard about Olympics? I guess you might have heard. And Olympics began in Greece, and this year also we will have it in Paris. So Olympics, the motto is faster, higher, stronger. Remember, okay, faster, higher, stronger. And this Olympics is an event where so many countries participate in sports and compete with each other. And those who are fastest, those who are jumping higher, and those who are aiming higher, those who are stronger, they win. So I wish you to be having this aim in life, to grow, to compete, and to become the best of yourself that you can. So all the best for all of you. I thank once again the headmaster and the staff for inviting me to be here as guest. Thank you and all the best.
Through Boston Kaban, I would like to address this memorandum to Mr. A.L. Head. Yes, Mr. A.L. Head, Honorable Cabinet Minister of Government of Meghalaya, subject, seeking your kind helping hand for our school. Respected sir, we refer to the subject stated above. There will be three major issues that we would like to have your attention for help our school, St. Joseph Secondary School. Number one, school building. Number two, recognition of secondary and higher secondary section. Number three, financial support for the secondary teachers. St. Joseph's RCLP RCP school is respected to this area for the last 6 decades. Our school has been providing holistic quality education to the students and the parents nearby from different backgrounds. Due to limited of classroom, we are unable to take more students in the interest to join our school. Our school management, SMC, suggest construction of a new building with adequate classroom with proper learning activity of the student. What the purpose, but we are lacking of financial support. Therefore, we are requesting you to give us a helping hand. Our school are facing many problems in this decade, but we are fighting forward for the betterment of our students and students who are reading in our school with the parents and the SMC members working together. We also seek support for recreation of secondary and higher secondary section. Our school has been benefited for a class which cannot afford, especially for those families which are very poor and low in the livelihood. They are not able to send their children to the nearby town or city for attending the higher classes. Therefore, we are starting our secondary section and higher secondary with the privilege that our children of this village and nearby village can be benefited. The last but not the least, the teachers of teaching in secondary and higher secondary, they are paid with a low salary provided by the SMC. Therefore, we are seeking financial support for their salary for the better and learning outcome of students. With these few words, I shall conclude that please help us and guide us in any way that you can. We shall forever grateful to you for your kind support, looking forward for a positive response. Thank you from the SMC of St. Joseph RCLP ACT School, Maureen Mokhan, in collaborative with the principal and staff of St. Joseph School. Thank you, sir.
Hakakan jongi bayan head badai minister buram jongi bayan semlala dan poin nomor jing stom idan apostal ko nigrim ke kuble sibun yang kene galat yang ba pi pila ai yang aban yang lene ban ai kene mamrondom ban pha lungba jonga sa iba head
ka office superintending engineering PhD Ribhoi circle nongpo kan rakhi ya ka world water day ha ka arpu artarek arajar arpusau te kum shibanta ban rakhi ya kani gisni kindon ki jia ko bapher rangkat bat ki khusnam kum tala khot sung bhaya baro ki bahapo Ribhoi district bapini shimbanta ki judging ko bapher ki bakanthop ya ka jia ko rwai tan rai ka jia ko draw comic na ka banta ki khna class 6 hado class 10 but ka team kan long a world united by water ka jia ko tho AC na ka banta ki khna class 11 but 12 ka team kan long understanding the interconnectedness of water and peace ka drawing competition na ka banta ki khna class 1 hado class 5 but ka team kan long water conservation in your community kum jo ka office of superintending engineer PhD Ribhoi circle ha ka jinga trailang u district sports officer ban panoy ka jinga mare marathon na indoor stadium Sidon Shadow indoor stadium umlangkadai kabayadai bat ka marathon ki haban one register ha office u superintending engineering PhD Ribhoi district nongpo but one shim u chess number na ka banta ka jingte bakham bania phone hakini ki number pra nyo lai iwei pra lai ar pra iwei not but pra nyo khandai sau nyo iwei san pra ar sau